Now we are going to discuss about machine learning based prediction of impulse control disorders in Parkinson's disease from clinical and genetic data. Now we are going to discuss about the overview of our project. Parkinson's disease is the second most common long-term chronic progressive disease affecting more than 10 million people worldwide. This process is mainly aimed to utilize pre-trained classification structures and conventional machine learning models as a semi-automated approach. Diagnosis of Parkinson's disease is commonly based on medical observations and assessment of clinical signs, including the characterization of a variety of motor symptoms. In our process, the Parkinson disease dataset as taken as input. The system is developed the machine learning algorithms such as random forest and logistic regression. The result shows that the performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall and F1 score. Finally, we can compare the two algorithms based on our performance metrics in the form of graph. This is the flow of our project. Here we are taking the data set. Parkinson data set is in the format CSV file. Then we can select the input data from our data set. The selected data are carried out to pre-processing step. In this step we can check any missing values is present in our data set for avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding, convert the string into numeric integer value for machine readable. The pre-processed data are carried out to data splitting module. Here we can split the whole dataset into test and train. Test is used for prediction, train is used for evaluation. Then splitted data are carried out to classification module. Here we can implement two different machine learning algorithms such as random forest logistic regression. The class with the help of classified data we can estimate some performance like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, ROC, then confusion matrix. Then prediction, we can predict the Parkinson disease or normal. Then visualization, here we can compare the graph based on our performance. Now we are going to discuss about the demo of our project. So this is for data selection. Here we are displayed some sample of input data from our data set. Then handling missing values. Here we can check any missing values is present in our data set. So these are the columns which is present in our data set. The 0 indicates there is no missing values for corresponding columns. Data splitting. So total number of data after splitting your data set, this is the total number of tested data and this is the total number of trained data. Here we are implemented the algorithm machine learning like logistic regression and random forest. This is the result for logistic regression, ROC curve for logistic regression, then confusion matrix for logistic regression. Then random forest, so this is the result for random forest algorithm, random ROC curve for random forest, then confusion matrix for random forest. Then prediction, here we can predict the person is affected by Parkinson or not affected by Parkinson based on symptoms. So here we are taken the test data. So not affected, then affected, like that. Then comparison graph. This is the comparison graph. Thank you.